Scapula part 2. Medial border, lateral border, the spine, that narrow rigid bone that goes from the medial to lateral border. On the tip of your spine is your acromion. The acromion connects to the clavicle, makes up the acromioclavicular joint. Gone back to posterior, above your spine is your supraspinatus fossa. Below the spine is your infraspinatus fossa. We're turning it back anteriorly. Remember looking at it anteriorly. This little beak-like projection of bone that comes off anteriorly is your coracoid process. And then the posterior one was your acromion. Now, if you kind of look at the scapula from the side, you'll see this little part right here. This is your glenoid cavity. And this is where the head of the humerus plugs into. And this makes the shoulder joint. So the head of the humerus plugs into the glenoid cavity of the scapula and makes the shoulder joint. Keep recording. Let's go with this one. This one's better. So remember, this is your medial border, lateral border, superior border, the suprascapular notch, which is that lateral notch on the superior border. Then we had the angles. You had your medial angle, which is where the superior border and the medial border meet. So this is your medial angle. Then you have your inferior angle, which is where the medial border and the lateral border meet, the inferior angle. Then you have your lateral angle, which is this blunt projection right here, and that's where the superior border and the lateral border meet. It's this lateral angle. The lateral angle is also the head of the scapula. Remember, it's not a clearly defined head, it's just this general area. That's it.